Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hi Disney friends, it's Amber with Mickey Travels. Today we're going to go through the Disney Parks reservation system tutorial. I was able to make my reservations this morning, so I was able to screen capture a lot of what I was doing. First, to make this process a little easier, you are going to want to try to log in ahead of time. You can log in by clicking at the very top. It would say sign in right here. If you don't log in, you will be asked to log in later in the process. Before even making the reservations, I would make sure you go to My Plans under My Disney Experience, link the reservation number, and make sure all family members are linked. So when we click on My Plans, currently, because everyone's trying to do this right now, we're going to get this castle waiting room area, and it's going to keep us in there for a little bit. If you know your reservations are all complete and you don't need to check your plans, you'll click on Disney Park Pass System to begin making your day's choices. This is the process you'll do if you have your reservation already booked. So I did have a little bit of a wait this morning, and then once I was finally able to log in, this is the screen that it'll look like. You're first going to click on who you want in your party, and then you're going to click on the day you would like to go. It took a little bit to load here, but it eventually did pop up, and it showed me all 4 parks were options for me to pick. We're going to start with Epcot because this is my arrival day, and they close later than any of the other parks at this time. You see there's the park hours, you click on that box. I do this numerous times. Make sure you do check that you've read the waiver and read the waiver. Click confirm, and then your reservation's set, and you can view your plans or do another day. So I'm going to quickly go through here and do my parks as fast as I can because I know that the system has been very glitchy and I want to make sure I get everything. My screen looks like this. I'm doing it directly from the website. I'm not an annual pass holder or just have tickets only, so because I have a room reservation, my days aren't colored like you may have seen online. They're just blank calendars, and when you click on them, all the parks are visible. And actually, if a park is not available, it will be grayed out, so that would tell me that that park's not an option. So I'm going to click through and do the rest of my days here really quick, and then I'll get to the end and show you what the My Plans section look like. So again, this will look different for those of you that are AP or tickets only. You'll actually have to click through to say that it's tickets only, or if you are AP, because some people have AP, but they're also staying on site. So that will look a little different for you. Let me know if you have questions about that or are having issues seeing anything. At this point when I'm making this video, we have been hearing of the parks being filled quickly, but we do feel that that is a glitch and that there are still tons of availability for many of the days. Okay, that's the last of my days, so instead I'm going to click View My Plans at the end. Here it's going to take me back to the main page where it has all my details of my reservation, my park stay, confirmation number, etc. So I'm going to scroll down and just check that it is showing my park reservation for each day that I just made. It'll say Disney Park Pass and it'll have the park next to it. So I check really quick and everything looks feasible here. And it is showing that it's for the entire day. If you get stuck on a screen or seem to be frozen and can't get to make reservations, try to click at the top where it says View Availability. Once you get here, it will actually take you to the same page where you click on your family members and it will be the exact same process. Please be aware that with all things that are new, that it can be glitchy and to just have patience and keep trying with different browsers. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're able to get your Disney passes reserved and can travel to Disney World soon. If you have any questions or are interested in using my services, please contact me. Thanks. Have a great day.